Take a deep breath. Welcome to the Nova Loves Podcast, a space for healing, self-honoring, and honest conversations about becoming the healthiest version of ourselves inside and out. Today's episode is a thank you letter to the mind and body that carries us, teaches us, protects us. It's a reflection on food, discipline, self-talk, and choosing what honors us. Let's begin. Take a breath with me. Today I want to say something simple but powerful. Thank you, mind. Thank you, body. Lately I've been sitting in this quiet kind of gratitude. The kind that settles in slowly like morning light. I've been realizing how often my mind and my body have carried me through moments of temptation, through old habits, through patterns that weren't serving me anymore. And even in those moments, I kept trying. I kept talking to myself honestly. I kept choosing to show up even when it wasn't perfect. I've been redefining what food means in my life. It's no longer a coping mechanism or a quick comfort. It's energy. It's restoration. It's nourishment for my cells and my organs. It's the fuel that lets me move through the world at my full capacity. And I'm proud of myself for finally seeing it this way. I've maintained my weight loss, yes, but something deeper has been happening too. I've been reclaiming my strength, reclaiming my peace, reclaiming my stillness, and I'm doing it slowly, intentionally, and with so much more grace than I ever used to give myself. I still have a way to go. And that's okay, because I'm proud of my discipline, proud of my restraint, proud of the voice inside of me that now whispers, choose what honors you. If you're listening to this and you're still figuring out your why, please hear me. You don't have to have it figured out. If nothing else, do it for your organs, do it for your heart. Do it for your overall health. Do it because you deserve to feel good in your body. You deserve to experience your highest, healthiest version of yourself. And no matter where you are on your journey, take your time. Healing is not a race. Rebuilding is not a deadline. You get to learn yourself again and again. As many times as you need. Treat yourself the way God intended, with reverence, with patience, with real intentional care. I'm grateful for this journey, the slow parts, the imperfect parts, the humbling parts, and I'm grateful for the mind and body that continues to show up for me every single day. Here's to honoring yourself and every day after. Thank you for listening and thank you for choosing yourself today. If this episode spoke to you, share it with someone who might need the reminder that healing is slow and sacred work. Be gentle with yourself. Treat yourself the way God intended. And remember, you deserve your healthiest, fullest life. I'll talk to you in the next episode.